Hi, welcome to this channel. I am Neelambika from 2nd Sem MCA studying in University of Mysore, Manasa Gangotri. Today I am giving to the presentation on spam email detection. Can we see the introduction? Spam emails can be not only annoying but also dangerous to consumers. Spam emails can be defined as anonymity, mass mailings, unsolicited. Spam email are message randomly sent to multiple addresses by all sorts of groups, but mostly lazy advertisers and criminals who wish to lead you to phishing sites. We know these situations. We had a bunch of emails on our laptops or mobiles, but not all are the important emails. Some are advertising mails are there, some are who criminals are emails are there. This kind of problems we can using this project we solve this problem. We're going to solve this problem. We implemented this project. Let us see the next slide. Naive Bayes classifier. It's a simple probabilistic classifier that calculates a set of probabilities by counting the frequency and combination of values in a given database or data set, represent as a vector of feature values. It is very useful to classify the emails properly. The precision and recall of this method is now to be very effective. In this naive Bayes classifier, what is this? This is an algorithm. We can using this classify the emails which are spam emails and non-spam emails. We can see the problem statement. What are all the problem statement? Unwanted emails, irritating internet connection, critical email message are missed and or delayed, millions of compromised computers, billions of dollars lost worldwide, identity theft, spam can crash mail servers and fill up hard drives. Objective of this project. The objective of identification of spam emails are the give knowledge to the user about the fake emails and relevant emails, to classify that email spam or not. We have to give the knowledge to the user what are all the emails are spam, non spam, and give a knowledge of classify the mail spam or not. Literature review. We consulted from GHE spam detection first ED 2007 and learned about this problem. Spam prevention is often neglected, although some people measures can dramatically reduce the amount of spam that reaches your mailbox. Before they are able to send you spam, spammers obviously first need to obtain your email address, which they can do through different routes. Spammers collected our emails address by they can do through different routes. In this slide, we know about the scope of the project. It provides sensitivity to the client and adapts well to the future spam techniques. It considers a complete message instead of single words with respect to its organization. It increases security and control. It reduces IT administration cost. It also reduces network resource cost. Document pre-processing. Tokenization. Tokenization is the process of breaking a stream of text up to into words, phrases, symbols, or rather meaningful elements called tokens. The list of tokens becomes input for further processing such as parsing or text mining. Lemmatization. Lemmatization in linguistics is the process of grouping together the different inflected forms of a word so they can be analyzed as a single item. In computational linguistics, lemmatization is the algorithmic process of determining the lemma for a given word. You can see the example of lemmatization code. Removal of stop word. Sometimes the extremely common word which would appear to be of our very little value in helping select documents matching user need are excluded from the vocabulary entirely. Requirement analysis. What are the functional requirement and non-functional requirement? Let us know the functional requirement. To classify the emails, which is done by first taking out the feature vector extraction, which involves first taking out whether the word is a spam or not. Non-functional requirement ensures high availability of email data here data sets. Users should get the result as fast as possible. It should be easy to use. A user is just required to type the words and click, then the result is displayed, or user is just required to enter a pair of reasonable sentence. What are all the feasibility study? Technical feasibility, economic feasibility, operational feasibility. Testing. We tested the data sets and found out which emails is spam and which mail is non-spam, indicated as 0 and 1 respectively. If it is email is spam, it indicates the 0, and if it is a non-spam message or email, it indicates 1. We calculated the feature vector to know whether it is spam or non-spam. Using that feature vector, Naive-Bayes algorithm work by comparing the trained data to test the data. We will using Naive-Bayes algorithm in this project. We solve the which is spam messages or emails, which are the non-spam messages. Data set. Data set is a collection of data or related information that is composed for separate elements. A collection of data set for email spam contains spam and non-spam messages. In this project, data sets are spam and non-spam messages. Output. Any external email can be detected and classified as spam email, so the users will be aware of such email. Mails are classified into spam and non-spam. From the classified data, we have calculated the accuracy as 99.18%, recall 99.1707%, F measure 99.53%. This is the output of this project. 0 refers to the spam messages and 1 refers to the non-spam messages. In this slide, we see the spam equal to 100, non-spam equal to 750. These are the messages. We observe the first scenario. We have total messages or emails in our laptops or phones. 850 messages are there. It is separated as spam messages are 100, non-spam messages are 750. And observe the second scenario. We have total messages 306. It is gives the spam messages are 92 and non-spam messages are 214. We will get the output like this. 0 refers to the spam messages, 1 refers to the non-spam messages. And it gives the output like this also. Evaluation metrics: training evaluation accuracy 99.18%, F1 score 99.53%, recall 99.07%, precision 100.00%. Test evaluation accuracy 80.72%, F1 score 87.89%, recall 100%, precision 78.39%. It is divided to the training evaluation and test evaluation. Let us see the conclusion. We are able to classify the emails as spam or non-spam with high number of email slots. If people using the system, it will be difficult to handle all possible mails as our project deals with the only limited amount of copies. Thank you for watching.